Morning, everyone. I just got back from a 2-week long trip. I was gone for so long. It's actually the longest I've been gone in 2023. I made it one of my goals in 2023 to not travel as much because I was so burnt out from the previous year. In 2022, I took over 30 trips. Like, not 30 trips like one ways, like 30 round trips. That means I was gone for like half the year or more. There's only 52 weeks in the year, so I was gone pretty much every single week. I mean, some of those trips were shorter. It was like sometimes I would take 2 trips in 1 week. Like, I would go to 2 places in the same week, but overall I was pretty much gone for half the year, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. So I was burnt out from last year. So this year I was like, I'm not traveling that much. I'm gonna stay in Miami and I'm going to enjoy Miami. And I've done that. Like, I love living here. I love my friends. I've had so much more fun. I've lived a healthier lifestyle. So today I'm going to reintroduce that healthy lifestyle aside from this like month of travel pretty much. Because this month was definitely not the healthiest and I definitely didn't get to do things around the apartment. I haven't cooked, all of those things. So I'm going to do a reset with you and I'm going to show you guys how I kind of come back from a trip and get my life together. I already unpacked my suitcase. I'm one of those people that I unpack my suitcase immediately. Like, I got home, I unzipped, I unpacked, I put everything in the laundry, put everything away because I just like hate seeing my suitcase out. But I have a ton of laundry to do. I just have a ton of stuff I need to do. Before that, I want to just do a really quick workout. So I'm going to do 25 minutes of Pilates, and I love what workouts I've been doing. I've been doing Form by Sammy Clark, and it's amazing. I highly recommend it. I started out with the 2 weeks free and now I'm hooked, and I canceled my gym membership. I don't need it if I have this. But anyways, I'm just gonna put on some workout clothes and we are going to do a little bit of Pilates.
In store, so go ahead and grab some equipment if you haven't.
I've been getting way more into fiction lately, and so I picked up this book at a bookstore in New York, and I really like it so far. It's about a wealthy family, and it kind of like goes through their lives, and it's very character focused. Like, there's no plot, there's no mystery, there's not like something that happened, at least not yet. I'm only, 70 pages in, but it's just kind of like their characters and kind of getting an insight on these really wealthy people's lives and the people in their lives, and I like it so far. I don't know if maybe I haven't gotten to like the main part of the book, but so far I really do like it. I love books where there's a lot of character focus. I don't need this like grand plot, but if I can like really picture the characters, I really like those books. And I've been trying to get more into fiction lately because it actually like inspires me to read more because I get pretty hooked. So I picked this book up, and I usually read books on my Kindle, but I do want to support local bookstores, so I went into one, my favorite one in the West Village that I used to go to when I lived there, and I saw this book and I picked it up. But any like nonfiction or business book, I have to get on my Kindle because I love underlining on there and then like having it in the app and going back and like rereading passages. Versus fiction, I don't really underline ever. I don't know what I should do with this. I think I have this book that I purchased, The Creative Act, which also I have not even come close to finishing it. It's a little bit it's not like my typical style of book, I will say. Like, I feel like it's not poetic, but like kind of like philosophical, and I don't really ever read those types of books, but I think it's so pretty, and so I think it goes perfectly right here. You can ignore my nipple pasties, like that ruins the aesthetic. Okay, there you go. Now you're getting a picture of it. I think it looks really pretty there, but this is like super colorful, so I'm thinking of putting it in my living room somewhere where there's a bit more color. I don't know. I want to start picking up books more that are pretty. Like, I thought this one was pretty and that I'm not going to be like underlining. So, because I actually honestly, sometimes I prefer my Kindle. Like, even just like holding a book, like I love holding a book, but sometimes I do prefer my Kindle because this can get like heavy. First world problems. my apartment has 2 bedrooms. This is where the guests sleep. I actually have my parents coming into town this week, so I'm gonna do laundry, but I am so excited because I am partnering with Brooklinen on today's video, and I am the biggest Brooklinen fan. People that have stayed at my apartment, they always make comments about how comfortable my bed is because I have Brooklinen sheets. I get so excited to get into bed because of the Brooklinen sheets. I know some people are asking like, okay, is it worth, you know, spending money on like a good pair of sheets or a duvet cover or pillows or anything like that? And the answer is 100% yes. Like, I will talk and stand Brooklinen till the day I die. I got the classic hardcore bundle, which includes the core sheet set, which comes with 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases, a duvet cover, and 2 additional pillowcases. Instead of buying individual items, you can save 25% off by purchasing a hardcore bundle. They get softer after every single wash, so every time you wash it, it literally feels like you're just like walking into a cloud and being hugged. I swear, I am not just saying that. It is worth every single penny. So I just got these in the mail this week, and I'm very excited because I'm gonna do laundry. So I'm gonna be putting these in the wash and then making this bed. But if you want to check out Brooklinen, then please click the link. Do yourself a favor and get them. I've gotten this as gifts for people, housewarming gifts. Like, everyone is obsessed with them that I've introduced them to. My parents now have it at their bed at home. Like, whoever stays at my apartment is so lucky because not only is my mattress like amazing, but now it's about to level up with these sheets and the duvet cover. I feel like I truly am entering late 20s stage because the company that I'm most excited to work with is a bedding company, but that's okay because unless you've tried it, then like you don't understand. I'm gonna do some laundry and then we're gonna make the bed. Brooklinen is offering my viewers a special discount of $20 off any order over $100. So just click on the link below and use the code Natalie Barbu 20. It's already 10:30 a.m. I got a really late start to my day, which I hate doing. It stresses me out so much. And I'm not going into the office today, if you guys didn't catch that. I'm just gonna do some work here because I want to do things around my apartment. Like, I have my laundry going, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I actually want to cook lunch today. Before I like continued doing my like reset stuff, I needed to just like check my computer, check my emails, check my Slack, make my to-do list, because that stresses me out to no end when it's past even like 9:30 and I'm like, oh my God, I haven't opened my laptop yet. Right now, pulling up my email, pulling up Slack, pulling up ClickUp, and then I'm gonna come up with my to-do list with everything that I need to do today. Thankfully, I don't have too many emails. I did check it last night. I do sometimes like to check it the night before so that in the morning I'm not like super alarmed by anything, or like been like, oh my God, I need to do something. I'm loving this matcha. Got it at the pop-up grocer in New York. That place is so cute. I love it. But it's like Wonder Matcha and it has mushrooms in it and adaptogens, and I've been really into mushrooms lately, like functional mushrooms. So okay, so I wrote out my to-do list. I have a note. Every month I do my like monthly to-do list, and then I like write down all of the daily to-do lists under here. So March is almost over. I don't have too many things like action items that I need to get done immediately. So I am shopping on Whole Foods. I don't really want to go shopping in person. I'm just like not in the mood to go to the grocery store, so I'm just gonna pick it up. But I need to see what I have and like what meals I need to make. So yeah, I already like added a bunch of things that I just know are staples and I know I'm missing, but I need to empty out my fridge and do all of that stuff. Welcome to Cooking with Nat. This is a segment where I am trying to get back into cooking, so I am going to try to make fun ingredients and film them to hold me accountable. Okay, so today I'm making black bean enchiladas for lunch. I had all of these ingredients already and that's why I'm making it. I'm gonna head to Whole Foods later today to pick up my food and my groceries, but let's get started. What I need is an onion, black beans, diced tomatoes, enchilada sauce. I have some jalapeno peppers that I'm gonna scatter throughout just for some taste. But yeah, and then some spices and flour tortillas. Let's chop some onions. I'm gonna start crying because I cannot cry without chopping onions. Or I cannot chop onions without crying. And then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so these are the enchiladas. It's very colorful, which I like, but we'll see how good they are. I put some jalapenos and diced tomatoes on top, and then I put some cilantro on top of this. So I swear being an adult is just having to constantly clean and clean and clean and clean until you have to clean again. I don't know about you guys, but that is how I feel. Like I feel like I'm either doing laundry, taking out the trash, cleaning my kitchen, vacuuming, doing the groceries, cleaning out my fridge. Like I always feel overwhelmed that it's not clean. Like, clean, and then by that night I'm like, okay. I don't know if that's just me. Maybe I'm just a very messy person. I got my groceries, so I'm gonna unload these. Shop at Whole Foods, so I just went to go pick them up. I'm gonna unload these groceries, put them away, and then hopefully I'm gonna like try to figure out what I can make for dinner tonight. I have some ground beef and I also have some chicken. So I might make like a salad, pasta salad. I'm not really sure. I can't even think about food right now because I'm not very hungry, but I'll see what I can make. Let's put these groceries away first. A bunch of Olipop. This is my favorite soda. It's so good. Organic tomatoes, a bell pepper, avocados, asparagus, feta cheese, ground beef. I don't know if I should make this tonight or tomorrow, but I'm gonna put both chicken and this in the fridge, and then whichever one I don't cook I'll put in the freezer. Chicken sausage, spinach, kale, cauliflower. My oat milks, I get oat milk. So good, and it doesn't have like any fillers or any added ingredients. Green lentil pasta and Vitex berry for my hormones. I'm gonna do my dishes later. One thing at a time.